Can't find your Apple Watch and need some help locating it? With the iOS 27 update, you can now see your watch's location on your iPhone. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to find a lost or stolen Apple Watch with Find My in iOS 27. Now let's get started. Before you can begin this process, you'll need to have updated your iPhone to iOS 27. If you haven't upgraded yet, check out this tutorial to learn how. To find your lost or stolen Apple Watch, first open the Find My app. This app comes pre-installed on your iPhone, so it should be on your home screen or in your app library. If you've previously deleted the app, you can re-download it from the App Store. In the menu at the bottom, select Devices. Here you'll see a list of all the Apple devices that are connected to your Apple ID. Tap your Apple Watch in the list to see its location. You can tap Directions to open the Maps app and get directions to your watch's location. If you tap Play, your watch will make a sound to help you find it. If you're still not able to locate your watch, tap the three dots on the right to see more options. Here you can enable Lost Mode to protect your personal information and display your contact information on the screen so that anyone who finds your Apple Watch can get in touch with you. As a last resort, you can also use the Erase option to remotely wipe all your data from the watch in case it was stolen. Hopefully, with these location tools, you'll be able to find your missing Apple Watch. That's all it takes to locate your Apple Watch on the Find My app. Trying to find an AirTag or AirPods? Check out these tutorials next. Click one of the videos on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.